Hello everyone, it's Sunday, August 9th. I do a quick view of the garden here. Some petunias. Some of our cucumbers here, not doing great, but there's a weird shaped one down there growing. Lemon drop peppers, got some fruit coming in. One of our cherry tomatoes, it's really slowed down recently, but we're getting a few more. Another cucumber plant down here. Whoops, that is a tomato. This one's really not doing well, but we might get a few more off of it. Tabasco pepper. You can see we got several yellow fruits. I expect those to turn red as they ripen more, but they look really pretty. Some carrots down here. Chard. Parsley. Whatever that was is gone now. Some oregano. Kale, basil, some Vermont cranberry beans growing really big. This was parsley, which you can tell got eaten. Daikon radishes. Over here are our green pole beans. We're starting to get some nice pods we can pick. They're doing okay. Lots of flowers. Lots of damage from the Japanese beetles, but by the time they attack, the plants are always so big that it doesn't make a difference for us. Okay, down here, oh geez, you know what? You're gonna have to ask Stephanie what these are. I forgot. I think it's lettuce. Different kinds of lettuce shoved in there. Another cherry tomato. Again, slowed down. There's a few fruit coming in. More. These are the derby green bush beans. They're growing okay. They're a little shaded. Some carrots, looking pretty good. That's a broccoli plant, which is probably not going to be big enough by the end of the season to harvest, but whatever. Kale. This also appears to have been dug up, whatever it was. Whoops. Here's some pak choi, very badly shaded, unfortunately. Some more bush beans. Kohlrabi over there. Ooh, geez, look at this. These are bush beans, tons of flowers. That's great. I just realized that now. More kohlrabi, and here's the leading contender for getting an actual head. Looking pretty good. More bush beans. The bush beans are doing great. I'm really happy we planted these this July actually. Chives, kind of winding up for the season. Here's an ahi rico pepper. That's something pulled out of the bed over here. And ate. Guess we'll throw that by the tree. Marigolds, ahi rico. This looks like it's almost done. There's a lot of flowers. Maybe we'll get a couple more fruit because it grows pretty fast, but I'm not so sure. Roma tomatoes. Some chard back there. Some new chard. Again, I don't know what these are. I think they're pak choi, but I'm not positive. The loser Brussels sprout plant. Some basil. Yeah, this is either broccoli or cauliflower. It's going nowhere. This is the other one, broccoli or cauliflower, which is also going nowhere, unfortunately. Cayenne peppers. This plant's been doing okay. Brandywine tomato still hasn't set. Oh, never mind. One fruit. We might get one fruit off of this plant. What a miracle. Better support that. We haven't gotten anything so far. It's been really disappointing. Previous years it's been great. More marigolds. And here are the raspberries. Getting nice and big. Okay. That is it for inside. Okay, we are finally all planted on the new Aerogarden Farm XL. You can see it's running here. Got the lights hanging down. On this side we've got the lettuce and herb kit, the salad bar kit that it came with. And then on this side we've got the cherry tomato plant that it came with, red cherry tomato, and a Thai chili that we planted of our own. So we'll see how that goes. But we're on, as you can see here on the bottom of the screen, day 0 of days planted. And we're excited to see what happens this winter with our indoor hydroponic farm. It's been just shy of a week since we started the new Aerogarden, and I'd like to show you how things are growing. So we need to lift the lights up so you can see better. This is kind of neat. There's a button here. See, the left light is moving up. Boring. Okay. So here on the side of the greens, you can see we've got some sprouts. Rouge de Vert lettuce. Some basil back here. Marvel of Four Seasons lettuce. Black-seeded Simpson. And Paris Island. Whatever that means. Here's more Simpson. Cherry tomato has sprouted. The pepper has not yet, which is no surprise. They're very slow sprouters. And I filled in some of the spaces here with pak choi, and 2 of those have sprouted. So that's kind of fun. We'll just have to lower the light back down, which I won't make you sit through. So we'll see. This Aerogarden experiment is going to be very interesting. It's a very exciting new tool, and things are sprouting and going okay. We'll see what happens over the coming months. That's it for this video. Finally, it's been a few weeks. Thank you for watching.